Welcome back to my channel. It's Caleb and Anthony. Caleb's like, hey, what's going on here? Hey. Who does that?
Oh, that's Wolf of Wall Street.
How was that?
Jordan Belfort.
The chant?
Yeah.
Alright, so what is rewiring the wiring? You're not on camera that way. And then he's using the solder heat shrink silicone. I hope you don't have any fuel leaks. Wire repair. So I actually don't mind these things. I know a lot of people don't like them, but they do serve a purpose. And as long as that solder tins, I don't think that there's an issue. So that's one.
Yep, we got 3 more to go.
Twisting wires together and using wire nuts is not a proper repair.
No, wire nuts should never be used for automotive.
I'm zoomed in for all the guys that have the readers on. What's your choice of weapon? Was that Snap-on strippers out of my box?
Snap-on strippers out of my box.
You have the same ones?
Yeah.
Guess what we found today?
Oh,
Did you put it on charge?
Charge on my box.
So it's very possible it was one of our puck lights, but we did magnetized to the underneath of a customer's car. Not with the razor blade, of course. But yeah, I was like, Caleb, where's your flashlight? He's like, and I was like, I know where my green one's at. They need to put like missing property insurance at Harbor Freight for that stuff. Like, yeah, I can't find it, sir. Someone must have stolen it or I lost it. That would be a sure way to put Harbor Freight out of business because everyone can't tell you how many technicians lose. I lose a tool almost every time I work on a customer's car today. I drop it somewhere, I drop it and then gotta find it and dig it out. Mechanic issues, right?
Yeah, you're doing something with the valve cover and you drop a 8mm swivel and it doesn't.
It's always 8mm and 10mm.
And it doesn't fall all the way down, so now you have something stuck either on an under tray or the subframe lodged in somewhere.
I don't think you're milk there.
I'm melted.
I think you need more. I like to see milk. I like to see milky volcanic flow. There you go. See it now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see the solder all the way up here by my fingernail now.
Oh, it sucked up that far.
Yeah.
See the side that you didn't have the heat on? The back side's still like not cured or not melted.
Yeah.
It's not a high stress situation.
No.
It ain't coming apart.
Well, and these do harden up when you let them cool.
Use a heat gun if you want.
I don't like using these. It takes forever.
yeah. Well, nothing like spending an hour chasing down, is this an alarm problem? Is it this problem? Is it the customer problem?
At first we thought it was an immobilizer issue, and then we got the immobilizer light off.
Yeah. Immobilizer has issues in this car. Customer tells us, try this, try that. We try all our tricks. Do the battery tap trick. We get the immobilizer to neutral, and then the car still won't start from the starter. Chase it back to the starter you just put in 6 months ago. Yeah. All the fun stuff.